Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Kingjoy professional photographic equipment. This is a phone or camera stand. It's the Kingjoy 75. I bought it for $34.99 off Amazon. You can now get it, it's on offer for $29.99. It's really good quality, really sturdy when you get it. As you can see here, we have a quick release top up here. Put one side, that just comes out nice and easy. Then underneath, you can use that, which I do like. You don't have to have a screwdriver on you. This little pin will pull out. Just turn that, that will release the top. In here we have, if I can get there. So that's folks, try to do it one handed. And here we have, let's see what pops out of this, shall we? There you go. I have a little instruction book. It's a great professional camera tripod user manual. It's a Kingjoy 75 because it's a 75 centimeters, which is great. Comes with this, and this will fit a tablet or a camera either way. You can have it on that way or upright, and that will fit straight onto there. This is off my Joby because that's got that with a microphone, so that fits on really well there. And then this packet here we have really good set of feet here. We have two sets of feet. Those are for trail mic, that sort of thing. And then we have here, if you're on a grass surface, soil surface, these nice pins which are set into the ground beautifully. Just going to extend this now, show you the full height, what it can do. So just bear with me a second, folks. Just want to show you the full height. I'm 6 foot, so this is just about 6 foot high, which is brilliant. As you can see, we have a little hook here which you can put your rucksack on. Just give it a bit of weight, just to weigh it down wherever you're going to be working. A swiveling top here. Then as we go around here, we have, just to adjust the height, top, this little, get this working. So yeah, just need to unscrew it here. Got myself mixed up there. And use the handle. Get down to whichever height you want. Then when you're happy with the height, take the screw at the side, screw it in there, and you are spot on. I shall get the. Now it should go in okay. Right, so I'm making this look a lot more difficult than it actually is. That's it, and that's it. That's in there. What you do then is stick your camera in there like so. Spin it that nicely round. You can adjust the angle you want to film at. And like I said, for $29.99, or I paid $34.99, I don't think you can really go wrong. And it's a really good value for money. Really well made. Also comes with the Bluetooth remote control, which is in the house. I haven't got that at the moment. So yeah, for $34.99, $24.99, $29.99 now. I don't think you can really go wrong. Really good. Comes with these adapters, these feet. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything at all, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sewing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.